This video clip will show how to use the new feature of the new tag about the suggest tag number. Okay, we go to the admin menu, go to the new track menu, and you will see the suggested tag number show automatically, and it also allow user to able to edit the tag number if they want. Okay, when we user will write a tag, we just scan first to see first what information on the current tag, to see the current information of the now we have 008. Click right. We need to write 009 until the click right, and you write success for until it shows successfully message verified. We just scan this NFC tag again. Okay, you see the current, and we will verify why information the track and the NFC tag again to see what current information of the next suggest tag number view. The next show suggest tag number will show automatically and continue write the new tag. Ready for admin to write another tag. Thank you. Okay, that's all for this feature.